Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through setting up your Devolo AC repeater 300 using the WPS method. It's the quickest and simplest way to get your repeater operational, ensuring a seamless Wi-Fi extension. Let's jump right in and get started. First, let's unbox the Devolo AC repeater 300. Inside the box, you'll find the repeater itself, a quick start guide, and an Ethernet cable. The repeater has a sleek design with LED indicators to help you monitor the connection status. Next, plug the repeater into a power outlet near your router. Make sure it's within range of your existing Wi-Fi network for the initial setup. The LED light will start blinking, indicating that it's ready to be configured. Now, locate the WPS button on your router. It's usually labeled WPS and can be found on the front or back of the device. Press and hold the WPS button for a few seconds until the WPS light starts blinking. Next, press and hold the WPS button on the Devolo AC repeater 300. You'll find the button on the side of the device. Hold it for a few seconds until the LED light starts blinking rapidly. Now, wait for the repeater and router to establish a connection. This process usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the connection is successful, the LED light on the repeater will turn solid, indicating that it's ready to use. Once the setup is complete, move to an area where your Wi-Fi signal was weak and connect to your extended network. You should notice a significant improvement in speed and stability. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable assistance. And that's all there is to it. Setting up your Devolo AC repeater 300 using WPS is quick and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Drop any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.